How to add stickers on a video in CapCut. So you can add different stickers that CapCut has. How you will do that is you will first click on the video, and you're not going to want to be clicked on any particular clip so that this bottom bar shows up right here. Then what you are going to do is scroll through the bar, and the second from last is going to be sticker options. So you will then click on that, and you can insert any sticker that you would like. Once you are done with the stickers, you can click the plus sign, and now these stickers are going to show up right here. That way you can adjust how long you would like them in the video for. You can also click on the sticker itself and move it, pinch and zoom it to make it smaller or bigger, and then make it last long or shorter. And that is how you add